Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Now this is common on your Windows. So if you encounter the error statement Wi-Fi connected but no internet access, then do not worry, we got you covered. So let's go quick into the process. Just go ahead and click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now here you need to view this into categories. If this is viewed by large icons or small icons, simply change that to category and click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Now here in the left pane, you'll find Change Adapter Settings. Click on that. And here you need to locate your connection. You could be connected to Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same, so all you have to do is you need to make a right click, then you have to select Disable and wait for some time. Then you have to make a right click and then select Enable, and you will be reconnected into your connection. Now once done, close this. Then for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So it is just very easy. And the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. So do not worry. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, just simply follow me for the commands. First command is netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. It's netsh space winsock space reset space catalog. Then you have to hit enter. Now successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. But we are not going to restart yet because we are going to run the next command. And the next command is netsh space int space ipv4 space reset log. Hit enter. Now restart the computer to complete this action. Still, we're going to run the last command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, you will fix the issue with a connected but no internet access. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.